Hey guys, I am currently in 5th grade, and hopefully you know this, I'm a nerd. I'm currently on winter break, and I'm going to miss school so much. I enjoy math, reading, science, probably whatever you throw at me I enjoy. I enjoy writing as well. Probably your expression for that. Probably. At school, I also am social, and I communicate without actually... Wait. At school, I have to communicate in the hallway without getting in trouble. How we communicate? Adults would never understand. But it's through our facial expression. Here are a couple facial expressions that we do and what it means. That means get over here, save me from the situation. Somebody over here is really annoying. Annoying. That means something is up. We need to talk soon. Depending on what your normal habits are, this could differ. Let's say I'm a rapper, and yeah. In fact, no. Say I'm a businessman. Business is competing against me and doing something really bad, so we need to talk about a strategy to defeat them after school. Yeah. That's how we do this. There's more than just the there's the, and that means get away. There's also the, which is when you get so much annoying from somebody, you just want to make them so annoyed yourself. Common sense. That one we don't use that much. I just kind of made that up. Oh, we also use some that adults use, like when we hear about something that we don't understand about somebody. Stuff like that. I'm gonna make this video way too long. I just thought this would be funny to do, and would probably